What's the recipe? Vikram walks into a bakery.
Hi, my wife loves your apple pastries.
Cool.
I bake too, but she says your pastries are better than anything I make. Could you give me the recipe?
Absolutely not. My recipes are secret.
I'm sorry that I asked.
There's a line. Are you going to buy anything?
Yes, 1 box of apple pastries.
A whole box? You're trying to guess my recipe.
I'm sorry, I just have to know how to make them.
Please leave my store and don't come back.
Vikram looks shocked. The next day, B nervously walks into the bakery.
I would like
Yes.
1 box of apple pastries.
B looks out the window where Vikram is waiting. The baker sees Vikram.
It's that guy. You're helping him steal my recipe. Get out.
B runs out of the store.
I'm sorry, Vikram. I'm bad at lying.
It's fine.
But how will you get the recipe?
I have a new plan.
1 week later, Vikram walks into the bakery. He's holding a plate with an apple pastry on it.
It's you again. I told you not to come back.
I spent the whole week baking.
Were you trying to make my recipe?
Not exactly. Try 1 bite, and then I'll leave.
Fine.
The baker takes a bite of Vikram's pastry.
This doesn't taste like... my apple pastry.
No.
It tastes better.
Thank you. My wife thinks so too, and I'd like to give you the recipe.
Really? Why?
Because I believe good recipes should always be shared.